भयो? So we are heading to Phulchowki on the top. We start from like around 11. Let's see how it's take, like how long it's take.
I'm Vigyat Adhikari.
Yeah, it's me Prem Tamang and my best friend Rupesh here. This is our first time. Let's see. Hope we didn't lost, because we got the map.
Yeah. The day before yesterday or 2 days before, like one school boy,
like 14
lost.
years old, he lost because like he got some problem on.
He looks like a thief, right?
Yeah.
Didn't hear properly, so
It's been like 3 days, and like for the Nepali military,
police force,
they went
they are.
with dog to find that guy.
Let's hope they will find it.
Let's pray for him. Photo ne?
We are back again, everybody. Yeah, we are moving from
We are heading.
Godavari destination towards the Phulchowki Highway, and it's almost might be 15 minutes, right?
15 minutes,
Yeah, 15 minutes. We'll try to let you know everything about the Phulchowki Highway. We hope there might be
Like good
snowfalls,
weather, and we can
weather,
see like
and we can
nice
see the view
from the top.
of the
Phulchowki
hills.
Highway. Look, our brother, one brother, I think he got the tire, so
Our friends, Mr. Name Siddharth Malhotra. I'm sorry, Malhotra.
wow. All did you turn around in? La.
Yeah, she's our next friend.
Yeah, Neha.
Neha.
And she always,
show
like
you.
kichi.
Drinking.
Now she looked at one and she
Hello.
Hello, and I'm not kitty kitty.
not
Yeah.
didn't walk. Slowly. Hiking गर्नुपर्छ हेल्थको लागि राम्रो हो क्या.
Yeah, it's good for us.
अझै एक दिनमै सबै हेल्प बनाएर
Record भइसक्यो. So, yep, on the way to Phulchowki height. Let's pray for that guy. Yeah. Let's hope we can see like nice weather from the top. Yeah, nice,
Wow, Beckham. It's taking more than 4 minutes. We have lots of way to walk. Might be tomorrow I still need to go for gym also. I hope I'll be This boy is lost from 3 days, so we are helping their parents or family member to post this pamphlet photo. I hope he will find as soon as possible, and we will all pray
everybody
with
they
him.
help us.
Help us, and we are also helping. Like his Prem is also helping. We have
Yes.
one more post to publish. Hi, we just reached almost Phulchowki Dada. It's like we just moved 5 kilometers from the Godavari. Still remaining 8 kilometers. Everyone is feeling tired. Yeah. Prem, my friend is feeling tired. He's not feeling tired actually.
Let's run.
Phulchowki ma ramailo गर्ने से
Huh? No. When we get to the top.
Full power
Full
without
power.
dal bhat.
धेरै दाल भात खाएर चाहिँ मेरो साथी यस्तो मोटो भइरहेछ हैन या
Yeah, without
दाल
shower.
भात पावर 24 hours.
So we crossed like 4 kilometers and still 8 kilometers to our head. Oh man. Let's see how long it takes.
We're moving backward. I'm gonna say something about hiking. Hiking is one of the adventures way to walk. It's take almost hour and hour while we are in hiking. Before we go to hiking, we need to think about 5 major things like we need to pack foods for eat on the way, and we need to wear sport dress like trouser, t-shirt, and suits should be comfortable like sport suits, and we need to have a bottle of water, and we need to wear socks, and we need to drink a lot of water while walking. I hope you wanna like these tips. I'm not a professional to make you more about hiking, but it's my second times. यो चाहिँ भित्री वे हो सर्टकट बाटोमा गएर हामी जान लाग्यो हामी अलमोस्ट 5 किलोमिटर चाहिँ मेन रोड हिँडेर आएको थियौँ अब चाहिँ सर्टकट बाटो जाने भनेर we are trying to move. Hi everyone, look at this way. My dear friends,
कता गयो त्यहाँ एक्लै छ माछाले खाना दिएर होइन के खाने Okay guys, we are heading back to our destination. Yeah, it's really cold here. It's like freaking cold, and we are too tired. Look, my friend, he's like too tired, so he needs to stick. Just reach there like a 10 minutes, because we reached there like they are enjoying snow, but me, oh shit man, I can't. Everywhere is snow. Look, it's so slippery way. Huh. So now I call my brother to pick us like from here. Oh man, crazy, yeah? Hey, बिस्तारै हिँड्नुपर्छ है। ल ल ल crazy guy. It's cool cause like weather is not good, so that's why we can't see like mountains, clear view. So that's why we back very soon. But too crowded and everywhere people, oh shit man, I just okay guys, catch you later. It's so painful. So guys, we missed the snow from that way, because we thought this is shortcut then that way. So Florence,
Yeah,
how you feel?
good.
Good?
Yeah.
Who is behind me? Mr. Rupesh. How you feel? Tara?
Very good.
Very good.
Awesome.
Brother?
Fantabulous, bro.
Okay.
You're sick.
Neha, she's still last.
How is she?
Oh, see? Awesome, like kite. Yeah. बट
गइराख्नुपर्छ क्या
हामी चाहिँ अब रेस्ट गर्दैनौँ
जस्ट वकिङ
I'm working on the
इफ वी टेक रेस्ट
cause it's already late, so it's take maybe like almost 4 hours. So that's why we have to work, you know. Yeah, it's 5 hours, because there's like just too many here, and mostly I hate this.
To go down we need to
Which is crazy.
3 hours
Peace, bro. Huh? Hello, what? Hey, guys, I'm back again. अघि चाहिँ रुपेशले जति चाहिँ भन्थ्यो नि सब गलत रुइरहेको थियो त्यो गाडीमा जान्छु भन्न थियो है है रुपेश होइन रुए थिएन त त्यो गाडीमा जान्छु भन्न थियो यहाँ त अब जिन्दगी लाइफमा कहिले नआउने कान पक्रिरहेको थियो कान पक्रिन्छ थियो सो गाइज त्यसलाई के त हाइकिङ के हो त्यसको फर्स्ट टाइम आएकोले होला they feel tired. We also feel tired as well, but what to do? Hiking the computer गर्नु पर्यो नि लाजै हुन्छ नि कम्प्लिट गरेन त होइन त so we are heading back to Godavari. Let's see how long it's take. Like I think like it's take like maybe 4 hours. Oof. Okay guys, catch you later. Secret है यो चाहिँ रुपेशको secret कसैलाई नभन्नु. Sorry रुपेश. नेहा किन रोएको नानी?
कहाँबाट तिमीहरू चाहिँ कहाँबाट पछाडि यो गर्नु
Okay guys, catch you later. It's like slippery way, so I think I will fall down like same as before. Okay, catch you later. यसले खैरी नि पट्याउने हो. अपनी
मलाई सब देखाउँछ
देखाउनु त मलाई बालको चिट्टी होइन त यो त भिडियोमा हाइकिङको बाइक छिन
माथि
दिदी म नि आऊ होला नि दिदी
यता आइज न छोरा छिटो बाटो
ए ताई पुग्छ त म तिमी पनि आऊ
Stop.